Decentralized investment platforms are all the new craze in crypto. V-Empire is one of them. The platform claims to be the first organization that allows traders to earn yields on their digital assets held within the metaverse, NFTs, and gaming tokens. The V-Empire protocol plans to decentralize the metaverse by deploying different strategies that incentivize crypto staking within the virtual world. It seeks to protect decentralized technologies by acquiring digital assets on the metaverse. In fact, according to its white paper, V-Empire DAO aims to invade the metaverse by acquiring virtual real estate on a huge scale to establish its significance within the virtual space. V-Empire functions as a DAO, which stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. A DAO is a community-driven organization that claims to run without any central authority, making sure that it has autonomy and transparency. V-Empire DAO is a DAO system designed to provide monetary rewards to metaverse users loyal to the organization while simultaneously empowering the community. So let's dig deeper and let me show you guys how this project began, how it works, and how it solves the problems with staking within the metaverse, gaming, and NFTs. Welcome to your one-stop shop for all things related to crypto. So without further ado, let's begin the video. But before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss any interesting crypto video from me. Having said that, let's get into the video. V-Empire was launched in July 2021 by Dominic Ryder, a former wealth management expert and venture capitalist. Apart from Ryder, who serves as CEO, the core team consists of COO Mike Ryder, marketing and operations head Harvey Woods, research analyst Peter Gavaroff, and creative content lead Jack Dolby. V-Empire claims to be the first protocol of its kind and its revolutionary impact of lowering the barrier of entry for investments in the metaverse, which has helped unlock pools of capital that would otherwise not be available for basic users. V-Empire holds a trifecta effect, helping investors access investment opportunities that otherwise would be out of their reach, helping spur adoption of the metaverse, and helping keep it decentralized and in communities' control. The project was started to protect decentralized technologies like the metaverse from being taken over by centralized authorities. This will make sure that investment in the upcoming Web3 technologies is not limited for the wealthy. On top of this, V-Empire also has a hold in the NFT and GameFi industry by releasing their own play-to-earn games and launching smaller projects to provide immersive and interactive mediums for their community. The native currency of V-Empire is Vemp. The token is used by the protocol to reward liquidity providers and stakeholders, aiming to make Vemp an influential cryptocurrency within the metaverse. Vemp holders can also stake their tokens to acquire XVemp, which is the governance token required to vote on decisions regarding the protocol's development and expansion. Additionally, users can also earn Vemp tokens as rewards for playing and trading card battles within the V-Empire space. Vemp has a maximum total supply of 810,720,000 tokens, out of which 96.5 million were sold during the initial offering. Of the initial tokens, 55% were staked on the platform. The Vemp token can be used to provide access to the DAO via staking. The token can be converted to XVemp and used for voting purposes. They can also be paid out as staking rewards. To wrap up the research part of V-Empire, I would like to break down the entire venture-based investment portfolio that they have. Now remember, what gets invested through V-Empire, as long as you are staking, you are going to get a portion of that portfolio being part of Vemp. Now this is very professionally done. This is not just any meme coin that you ape in and hope the price goes up. The price, in my opinion, will go up just on what it is alone, but what their portfolio holds is actually what's coming back to you. So if you looked at this, they usually give this out, a few times a year just to give you an example of what they have, what they paid for it, and what it's valued at in today's market. As you can see, it gives you all the numbers, it breaks it down, and I really like how it shows you all the NFTs they hold. As many know, I'm a big fan of Goblin NFTs. They hold one of them at a buy price of $4,840. They have a Goblin that is worth $8,594 right now. So in my opinion, that's a come up. That's great. I like that when I see that. And they give you all the different ones. You got Crypto Chicks, Dead Fellows, Lazy Lions, Cult Dao. I'm a big fan of Cult Dao, the Falcon 99. All these different assets. Everything that they hold is the main reason why this is so bullish. All the land that they own. You got Decentralized, you got Sandbox. There are a lot of investments that Vemp owns, and these profits are all going to come back to you as a holder of Vemp as long as you are staking it. This is nothing but bullish. There is no other cryptocurrency outside of Cult Dao that breaks down the transparency that they have. This is why, in my opinion, Vemp is bullish. It is taking cryptocurrency to a whole nother level. I could bring this to a high-end VC company or a high-end investor, show them this, and they would be bullish on V-Empire. You can't say that for the average meme coin. You can't say that about anything else. V-Empire is breaking the grounds of what cryptocurrency investments should be. Okay, guys, now let's go over the technicals. We're here at CoinGecko.com bringing up Vemp. As the market is actually crashing, with Bitcoin crashing below $20,000, and the whole market itself is crashing. But I think because of the news that was released with V-Empire, that it's actually holding up very well. But the question is, why is it holding up very well? And we're actually going to dig deep and figure that out. So on the technicals, we're sitting at 0.2 cents, whopping $5.7 million in market cap. But as you can see, the trading volume is almost as high as the market cap. This coin is starting to get eyes. This is massive in my opinion. When I see a trading volume, a 24-hour trading volume, matching the market cap, when the market is going down, that means something is going on. I like what I see with this. Circulating supply versus total supply. Now, big difference. 212 million circulating supply versus the total supply of 810 million. But the best way to combat that is actually to participate in the ecosystem. If you stake your Vemp, you get Vemp, so you therefore are not getting diluted in the system. That's why you see the cash tags and the hashtags all the way saying compound Vemp. The best way to do that is to not get diluted by the stakers. So if you hold Vemp, it's only smart and in your benefit to stake Vemp. It's just a smart thing to do. So you have your website here, the Twitter, all-time high, 65.5 cents. 65 cents. Look at this. 95.9% down from its all-time high. This is nothing but potential. I say it all the time. I'm looking for the ones that got beat up in the bear market, still building and still smashing it. And I do believe we can see all-time high and even higher in months to years to come. Now let's look at the actual chart. Wow. We're absolutely bottomed out. It had its hype cycle, and by the way, this is the weekly chart, by the way. It had its hype cycle, it chilled out, the pre-sellers sold off their coins that they wanted to. Boom, 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 Boom. It was 5 weeks of bullish action. Then as you can see, a lot of people took profits. Had a little hype section, and all the people took profits. This is what I want to see when I see coins just bottomed out. Nobody else is selling. A little bit of pumps, a little bit of dumps, but nothing crazy like this. You know, there's no big pumps, there's no big dumps, there's nothing like that. It's flatlined, and we are close to the pre-sale now. So it's almost like getting in before anyone knew about it. You got in during the hype cycle, but what you want to see is, are these people still building? So how do we figure that out? So let's check out their Twitter. Man, it just looks like they just did a partnership with Sandbox. This is massive. You guys gotta realize Sandbox is probably the leading player in the metaverse gaming. V-Empire is actually tagging up with them. So with 79,000 followers, the connections are there. They got Sandbox partnerships. You know, they're integrated with all these different assets, and it looks like they did get a retweet from Sandbox with this. And let's see what this was all about. This was yesterday, I believe. Yeah, this is massive because it's just showing that they're building this whole time. You know, they're tweeting, they're keeping active, they're showing what they've been doing constantly all through this bear market. You know, they got retweets, they got people making videos about this. Like, V-Empire is a massive sleeper. When I see it bottomed out the way it is, it's just because everyone forgot about it, and that's not what you want to do in crypto. You do not want to forget about the previous hype cycle there was, because usually if they're building and they're creating and making partnerships, the hype cycle will be a little small candle compared to what you saw before. Another thing you got right here, Blockchain Game Alliance. They've got a partnership. They are a gold sponsor. I found this. When you're amongst the greats, Ubisoft, Polygon, AMD, Polkadot, Cardasy, and there you have it, V-Empire DAO. Like, they're amongst the greats, the big boys. You have to realize you cannot sleep on something like V-Empire. They've got the connections. They are building. In my opinion, Vemp is a sleeping giant that will wake up one day. You're going to wake up one day and see your portfolio like, wow. Or you're going to wake up one day and look at what you could have had. Don't be. There you have it. As you can see, you've got connections. You've got the next big thing in cryptocurrency, and then you've got Vemp. All in one, the cryptocurrency that can do big things in the future. And that's it for today's video. What do you think about Vemp? Write your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your crypto friends. Finally, do not forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more amazing videos like this one. Thank you.